we are one of the local manufacturers for Rome. We manufacture the space tanks for Rome. We start off with the step one where it's called infusion. We have two molds for the top and the bottom of the tank, put the fiberglass down and we air infuse it. So we're pulling the resin through the mold to make an even distribution. From there, now they're in two pieces, we send them off to another section and they trim and join the two together. Once they've joined it all completely, they come to our finishing section where they sand everything down, make sure all the pieces are to the right size, the holes of the lid are to the correct size. And from there, they send it off to the painting side behind me, where they do all the preparation, paint it to be the nice Rome orange. Once they've done with that, it'll go back to the finishing side and they fit the hinges and get it all 100% ready to be sent off to Rome. The business helped us quite a bit. We had to employ more people to push the numbers that they're wanting, but it's also helped our business because it's a steady flow. We know they're always going to be there and it's a good push for us on that side. But what's the point of being in a country if you're not supporting the country, you know? How is the country going to grow if you're not supporting local businesses? So you have to support the local businesses to grow your company, and in the end, it'll help you. It's created a bit of exposure as well, especially on the bike side of it. And also it's given us a lot more work to do. You know, we've got guys steady on a certain job. It's got something we can rely on, a company we can back on, you know. We're not stressed about that. We always know we're going to have these numbers all the time. Give a lot of stress to keep the product and the time frame up to there, but it's also a good partnership with them because we're having discussions with each other, how to improve stuff, how to make it better, how to work together as a unity to bring the product to where the standard needs to be. So it's helped us a lot in that sense.